Hey everyone, I'm Jason. This is the Farm Life. Today's going to be a short video on how to coil and uncoil bandsaw blades. Stay tuned. So the easiest way I've found for bandsaw blades, coil them up, put them against something. If you get a tractor tire or log or whatever, I usually do the teeth out, and then you just bend like that, twist together, sort them out a little bit in your hand, and call her good. I usually use like twist tie stuff or mechanics wire. And you're good. So obviously you want to be wearing gloves. Probably not advised to do around anybody or dogs or anything like that. And then so yeah, your hands about a little more than shoulder width apart. Push against and down a little bit, and it'll kind of want to naturally coil up. So then for uncoiling, obviously it's the opposite of that. It does get a little bit tricky, but the way I've found is you kind of sort through them, and until you get one coil that's loose hanging in the middle, you drop the one and grab the back side. Pretty much same as putting it together. Just like that. And then if your blades show up and the teeth are going in the wrong direction for the direction of your bandsaw, obviously give it a twist and you should be good. Teeth be going the right way. Now you gotta undo that, otherwise so again, push against something, give it a twist and wrap that back side underneath. It'll want to do it naturally, so it's fairly straightforward. This is the way my blades get shipped to me. This one's been sitting out here for a while. It's getting a bit of surface rust. I'll have to clean it up. But by doing it this way, they're able to actually stack multiples all within the same footprint. So it's a little easier to keep the teeth from getting dull, from rubbing against one another. And I used to try to coil them back up the same way until I learned that. I like that way a lot better. A little easier to handle. And that way you can use either different colored ties or something to determine whether they're blades that need to be sharpened or are sharp, ready to go. And one more time. Sometimes you'll have to sort through and find a different arrangement, different coil, but when you're opening it up, I find the one with an X and a loose loop hanging in the middle, because otherwise you'll get, whereas that's not quite right. Neither is that. So then now you've got the one loop left alone, the other loop hanging in the middle, and across in your left hand. You just grab the back side of the blade, and you're good. It helps to, again, have it kind of against something else, but yeah, so that's a short little video on how to coil and uncoil bandsaw blades. It was something that for quite a while I had no idea how to do, and I would just hang them like this or wrap them the way that they came. But yeah, so if you like that, feel free to like, subscribe, share, whatever you like. And if you are subscribed, thank you. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell icon in the bottom, probably down there somewhere, and that'll notify you when I got new videos coming up. I try to do one a week, and hopefully I get a little bit more than that. So anyways, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you on the next one.